Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn combining ratio. Combining ratio, it means we have two ratios and we want to add it and get it in one ratio. Let's see in exercise. In example 1, we have it. Example 1. If we have A and B and C, three numbers. The ratio between A to B 1 to 2 and B to C is 4 to 3. We want to get it in one ratio A to B to C. How to solve it? Now we have a combining ratio. We have two ratios and we want to add it, all of them to get it in one ratio. We want to write it as A to B to C in one form. First of all, we have two ratios. It means we have two lines. The first line we write it in the first ratio. The second line we write the second ratio. In the first line we have A to B. A equals 1, B equals 2. We write A equal 1, B equals 2. In the second line we have B to C. B equals 4, C equals 3. We write it in the second line by the same arrange. B equals 4, C equals 3. We have to write it in the second line. Don't write the first ratio in the second line and the second ratio in the first line. Now we have a complete column, it's B, so we have to make a circle around B. What the complete in the first line? 2. So we write it in the empty space, 2. What we have in the second line? What is the complete in the second line? 4. So we have to write 4 in the second line. Now we have a complete in the complete line in the complete first line and the complete in the second line. Then we're going to make the first line times the second line. The first line A equals 1, B equals 4. We will make 1 times 4 equals 4. B 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 3 equals 6. Now we have A to B to C, 4 to 8 to 6. As we know, we have to get the ratio in the simplest form. After we make multiplying, we have to make it in the simplest form. We will make 4, 8, 6. They are even numbers. So we'll make divided 2. 4 divide 2 equals 2. 8 divide 2 equals 4. 6 divide 2 equals 3. Now we have it 2 to 4 to 3. We have to write the letters down again to check it's a combining ratio. We have the two ratios. We have two ratios and they get it in one ratio. Now we have A to B to C. A equal 2, B equal 4, C equal 3. Now the very important part, after we write the names down, A to B to C, if I ask it about A to C, we take it from down, from the result, not from up. So A to C equals 2 to 3. We take it from the result, not from up. Don't forget, all the time we have to get the ratio in the simplest form. Example 2. The tallness of Sahar to Noha 2 to 3. And between Noha to Ola 6 to 5. Find the ratio between Sahar to Noha to Ola. Have the same way. We write Sahar to Noha to Ola. Then we have the first line consists of Sahar to Noha, and the second line will be Noha to Ola. By the same arrange, we have to put the number down each name. Sahar to Noha to Ola. In the first line, Sahar to Noha 2 to 3. يعني Sahar 2, it means Sahar 2 و Noha 3. In the second line, we will write Noha to Ola. Noha 6 and Ola 5. Where's the complete column? Noha. In the first line 3, in the second line 6. Then we'll have to make a circle around Noha. What is the complete in the first line? 3. So we write in the empty space 3 in the first line. What is the complete in second line? 6. We have to write 6 in the empty space in second line. Then we have the first line complete and the second line will be complete. Now we'll make the first line times the second line. Sahar 2 times 6 equals 12. Noha 3 times 6 equals 18. Ola 3 times 5 equals 15. The final ratio will be 12 to 18 to 15. 12 to 18 to 15, they are divided by 3. 12 divided 3 equals 4. 18 divided 3 equals 6. 15 divided 3 equals 5. Now we have the ratio in the simplest form. We have to get the ratio in the simplest form. Finally, you have to write the names down. Sahar to Noha to Ola. Sahar to Noha to Ola equal 4 to 6 to 5. If I want to get Sahar to Ola, we take it from the result. It will be 4 to 5. A equals 3 over 5B and B equals 2 over 5C. Find A to C. Now we have a ratio in a fractional form. If we said A equals 3 over 5B, it means that A equals 3 will B equals 5. B equals 2 over 5C, it means B equals 2 with C equals 5. Now we want first we should to write A to B to C. As we learn, we have it in 2 lines. We write the first ratio in the first line and the second ratio in the second line by the same arrange. We write in the first line A 3, B equals 5. C is an empty space. We don't have any number in C. So in the second line, B equals 2, C equals 5. Where is the complete column? Yes, is B. We make a circle around B. Then what the complete in the first line? 5. So we'll write 5 in the empty space in first line. Where is the complete in the second line? 2. So we'll write 2 in the second line. Empty space in the second line. Now we have the first line complete, the second line complete. We have to multiply first line times the second line. 3a, it will be 3 times 2 equals 6. B equals 5 times 2 equals 10. C, 5 times 5 equals 25. Finally, we have to check the ratio in the simplest form. 6, 10, 25. They are in the simplest form, yes. They are not in the same table. So if we want to write A to B to C down, we have to write the names down. If I want to get A to C, A equals 6, C equals 25. Don't forget we have to take the result from down. A down equals 6, B down equals 25, C down equals 25. So when we write A to C equals 6 to 25. 6 to 25, it's the simplest form, yes. You have to check to the ratio have to be in the simplest form. Let's see another exercise. X to y equals 3 to 4. It means x 3, y 4. Z equal 1 to 3 of x. It means z equals 1, x equals 3. Find x to y to z. First of all, we have to write x to y to z. Then we write each number down its name. Don't forget it. Now we have In the first line, x3, y4, we write 3 to 4. So we don't have any number in that, so we left it empty. Second line, we have z equals 1, we write z down z1. And x3, we write down x3 in the second line. Now, where's the complete column? Excellent. In x, we make a circle around x. It's a very important part. It's not necessary to be in the second, we make a circle around the second one. No, we make a circle around the complete column only. What is the complete in first line? 3. So we write 3 in the empty space in Z. Where's the complete, where's the empty space in second line? In Y. So we write 3 in Y. Now we have both are complete. X and 2 lines are complete. X equal 3 times 3 equals 9. Y equal 4 times 3 equals 12. Z equal 3 times 1 equals 3. Now we have the ratio 9 to 12 to 3. X equals 9, Y equals 12, Z equals 3. 9, 12, and 3, they are in the simplest form? No. All of them in table 3, so we can divide it by 3. 9 divided 3 equals 3. 12 divided 3 equals 4. 3 divided 3 equals 1. It's the simplest form. This example we have A equals 1 to 4B. It means A equals 1, B equals 4. B equal 1 to 4C means B equals 1, C equals 4. Find A to C. A to B equals 1 to 4 in the first line. In the second line we have B equals 1, C equals 4. We have to write each number in its place and by the same arrange. Very important part to write it down the name. Now where the complete column is B, we make a circle around B and follow space. In the first one, the space in C, so we repeat 4 again. In the second line, where is the complete 1? So we will write 1 again. Then we have the first line complete, the second line complete. We have to make, now complete the first line and second line. We make in the first line times the second line. 1 times 1 equals 1. In B, 4 times 1 equals 4. In C, 4 times 4 equals 16. 1 to 4 to 16, it's a simplest form, yes. So we have to write the names down again, A to B to C. If I want to get A to C, we take it from the answer. A equals 1, C equals 16. 1 to 16 is the simplest form, yes. You have to check all the time the ratio, it will be in the simplest form. Thank you. If I want to get the relation between A to B or between any two numbers, if we have A twice B, it means A twice B or A double B. It means in A2 will be 1. If you write it as a ratio, it will be 2 to 1. If I want to get A to B, A is half B. It means A to B equals 1 to 2. A equals 1 will be equals 2. We can write it also in a fractional form 1 over 2. Then A is triple B, or A is 3 times B. It means in A 3, B 1. If we write it in a ratio form, it will be 3 to 1. By the same arrange, A3 will be is 1. A is quarter B. Find A to B. A quarter, it means 1 over 4. As we know, a ratio may be as a fractional form, as a ratio form. By the same way, quarter, it means 1 to 4. Then when we write it, it will be A to B equals 1 to 4. A1 will be 4. If I want to write A is 2/3 B, it means A to B, A2, B3. Or we can write it A equal 2/3B. By the same way, it means in A equals 2, B equals 3.